Now we again go to the Layout section and first create the variables for all three graphs. Then, just like we did for the cards, we click on the Configuration button and add the respective agents. For each agent, we perform output mapping, mapping the agent output variables to the graph UI variables we just created. Since these agents don't require any input, we can skip the input mapping section. We add all three agents, complete the mapping, and save the configuration. Now let's see how we configure the individual graph components on the screen, which is also very straightforward. Click on one of the charts. Let's take the line chart. On the right side panel, we can apply style if needed, like setting width, height, background color, etc., but that's optional. In the Properties section, we provide key properties like type and label. Give a meaningful label to your graph, like claims over time. Now, two important things. First, the UI variable we created for the line chart needs to be mapped here in the Data Source section so the graph knows where to get its data from. Second, instead of executing the agent on page load, we can also bind the agent directly to the chart component. This is what we refer to as triggering the agent on component load. When the chart loads, the agent will automatically execute and fetch data. This configuration works the same way as the page config section we used earlier. Now repeat the same process for the remaining two charts, the bar chart and pie chart. Configure the UI variables, assign the correct labels and data sources, and, if needed, bind the agents directly to the chart components. Once done, all our graphs are live, functional, and visually integrated into the layout.